This beautiful looking shrub with tiny leaves are perfect plant for bonsai. Hello friends, welcome to HR Garden. Today I am going to tell you how to grow and care snow rose or trees of 1000 star. Snow rose are grown both outdoor as well as indoor. Morning 4 to 6 hours of sun will be best for growing this plant. If this plant is not receiving early morning sun, then you can also keep this plant in a place where it gets late afternoon sun or early evening sun. If snow rose is kept indoor, it should be kept in place where it receives bright indirect light. This plant should not be moved once they are sighted. Moving them or changing their position again and again will stress the plant and results in leaves drop. Well draining potting mixer which contain high organic matter and that can retain moisture is best for snow rose. I've used 1 part of coco peat, 1 part of sand and 1 part of leaf compost. On the top you can use 2 inches of organic mulch that can retain moisture. Water the plant when the top of the soil begin to dry. Soil should be moist but not too wet. Mist the plant if air is dry. Watering depends upon on which location you have placed the plant. If it is indoor, you need to water it less. If it is outdoor, you need to water it more. During the summer, you need to water it more. Whereas in winter, you need to water it less. There is no hard and fast rule for watering, but you should not overwater the plant. Snow rose likes humid environment, and if you think that it is getting less moisture, place a humidity tray below the plant. To make plant more bushy and to give a better look, pruning should be done once in a year. Pruning is usually done during the winter. You can even do hard pruning. Always remove dead and dry leaves from the plant. You can give balanced dilute liquid fertilizer once in a month during summer and spring. You don't need to fertilize during winter. Repot the plant once in a year. It produces a flower which may be pink or white in color during the springtime. This plant has not produced flower so far. Flowers should be dead-headed and removed as they fade. Its green variety is also found. Here you can see green with white. You can see the root of this plant. This plant is popularly used for bonsai. If a leaf on a plant begin to look dull or turn yellow, it may be due to underwatering. Check the plant and you need to water it immediately. If the plant becomes stressed and drop its leaf, do not water it for 1 or 2 weeks until it begin to grow and produce new foliage. This plant is also attacked by aphids, spider mites. So use pesticides and try to increase humidity. Propagation is done by cuttings. If you are looking for a plant for a bonsai, this is the perfect plant. Without doing bonsai also, you can keep this plant. It gives very beautiful look. This plant does not require much care and it is not so expensive. This is it for today. Keep gardening. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching HR Gardening.